So we are in April, sun is shining bright, mercury is rising, but I am not complaining. And you know why? Because something else is also increasing, and that is my account balance. Well, as promised, I'm going to reveal what I earned in the month of March. But before I do that, have you checked my Jan and Feb month's income? Well, the videos are right above this one, okay? So make sure you check. But just to give you a quick recap, in Jan, I was up to the mark. I almost achieved my target of 16,66,000. Well, I did little over 15 lakhs. But in Feb, only 64% I did, okay? So it was almost 11 lakhs. So not bad to start, all right? But I got to achieve my 2 crore target. Anyhow, I'm gonna do it, and let me tell you how much I earned in March 2018. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down and log into my account and find out how much I earned. All right, so I am on my system. So let me quickly log into vcommission.com, which is the affiliate network that I've been working with for many years now. So what I'll do is I will log into my interface, and it's taking a bit of time. So there you go, guys. This is my account, okay? Kunal Chaudhary, and so without wasting time, I'll quickly go to performance report and see how much I have made from 1st of March till 31st of March. So these are the 5 campaigns, guys, which I have promoted. All right, so Flipkart, Expedia, Hotels, AliExpress, and Booking.com. So what this pie chart suggests is that the percentage of traffic I sent on these 5 different campaigns in the month of March. So 67%, this purple color belongs to AliExpress, and which means that I sent 67% of my monthly traffic on AliExpress, and 15% is the second best, which I sent on Expedia.co.in. So as you can see, it says India, worldwide, India, worldwide, worldwide. So what it means is that 2 campaigns, Flipkart and Hotels.com, are Indian campaigns, okay, and Expedia.co.in, AliExpress, and Booking are, I can send worldwide traffic as well. So what I'll do is I check these stats, how much each campaign has paid me. So there you go. So AliExpress, on which I sent 1,98,722 visitors, I got a conversion of 4,109, and the payout which AliExpress gives me is 2,96,000 rupees, and Expedia is what has paid me the maximum. It has paid me 8 lakh rupees, over 8 lakh rupees, and the conversion is also decent, okay. However, the best conversion is from AliExpress, which is 2%, but the second best is from Expedia. And the reason why I have less conversions from Expedia but a bigger payout is because on Expedia I get paid every time someone books a hotel. So when you're booking a hotel, whether it's an Indian hotel or international, the average ticket value is quite high. But on AliExpress, the average ticket value is not that high, right? So what I am getting is I'm getting commission on every sale. So for all these 5 campaigns are where I earn commission, okay, on sales. So out of 4,109 sales which I delivered to AliExpress, I got almost 3 lakh in commission, whereas the cost per visitor, the earning per click is the best in Expedia.co.in. So Flipkart didn't do much of it. There was a time when I used to do a lot of, used to run a lot of campaigns for Flipkart, but not anymore. So still Flipkart paid me 76,000, and the Third best is booking.com. So I got 1,45,000 rupees from booking.com, and from hotels.com it's 75,000. So guys, this is it. If I go for summary, how much I earned in the month of March, there you go. So the total is 13 lakh 98,222. Now, it is a little bit less than what I should have earned, which is 16.5 lakhs, but it's almost 14 lakhs, so I'm not complaining. And do not forget that I am investing just 30 minutes a day doing affiliate marketing, and this is a part-time earning for me. So if you haven't checked my Jan and Feb month stats, so I'll just give you a quick summary of what I have earned in this first quarter of the calendar year. So for the first 3 months, first quarter, my target was 50 lakhs. Let's see how much I have earned in the last 3 months. There you go, guys. So it's 39 lakh 91,422 rupees. So it is almost 40 lakhs. So out of 50, I have already achieved 40 lakhs, and I think it's a good enough start. You know, I can't really complain. I shouldn't be that much harsh on me. But if you talk about, you know, the campaigns, how much I have earned from the campaigns which I promoted in 3 months, so that is, AliExpress has paid me 14,46,000, and Expedia has paid me 18,36,000. So majority of my income is coming from these two campaigns, AliExpress and Expedia. So if you want to promote it, please, you know, can feel free to promote it. These are the campaigns which are working well for me. And Flipkart, hotels, booking, and Amazon paid me rupees 575 out of 4 sales which I delivered. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more. I'm going to reveal my every month income as I do it. Thank you.